Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. So today I have another packaging that I will unbox. This will be the new Kyo Momiji Autumn Leaf series. So there are three models in the series. The first one is the 6900TAL, and then the 5600, the square model, and the GA100. This is the continuation from the Sakura series, which also have 3 models. The Kyo Momiji series is only released in Japan. Here you can see this is the 6900TAL-4JF model, inspired by the falling autumn leaves and orange colors. So this is the unique box design specifically for this series. Nicely. And this is the warranty card, the manual in Japanese for this specific model. That's fine. This is the 6900TAL-4JF model. Of the many watches that I have, this is the first of this model that I have collected. Specialty about this is the backlight. It has maple tree logo at the back. Let me darken this a bit. This is a 3230 module number on the 6900 series. Only released in Japan. The band is quite soft compared to the other model bands, and then what you can see here is made in Japan. Buckle, nicely designed case and bezel and band, colorful, and you can see the autumn leaf here on each of the model. This is my first 6900 model. Initially I thought that I would buy the black one with the tough solar, the G6900, but this came out, so I'll be keeping this for my collection. It has the basic G-Shock features, the timer, the alarm, stopwatch, and back to time. No world time feature, just timer and stopwatch. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel for future videos.